finished product, as I designed it, it came out exactly to what the vision was in my head when I designed the entire kitchen. I've been trying to design a kitchen for my wife for the 34 years since we've been married, and this is exactly what I wanted for her. Working from beginning to end with Dennis was excellent. Our experience with our crew, they actually became our friends through the entire process. The work was spectacular. They showed up on time every day. We were well informed of what was happening, when it was happening, and how it was happening. So the completion of our kitchen and the construction to achieve it was spectacular.
And I appreciated the fact that every day they would clean up everything so it felt like they weren't even here, which was really nice. And I felt that they were really easy to work with and very professional.
We would recommend Mike and Val as a team to any homeowner requiring work from Spectrum One.